Will Tesla lower their prices? It's a well-known fact that inflation rates are at the highest right now. The United States is in a tough spot with prices bearing through the roof. It's therefore not a surprise when Elon Musk announced plans for Tesla. In a recent tweet, Musk announced that Tesla could reduce prices of its EVs if inflation calms down. So, what did Musk reveal about Tesla reducing its EV prices? Let's find out. Lowering prices. This year has seen Teslas implementing a number of price increases. The price increases have been to the point where a number of entry-level vehicles like the Model 3 and the Model Y are already closing in on the prices of flagship cars like the Model S from a few years ago. According to recent comments from CEO Elon Musk, however, Tesla could make its vehicle more affordable provided that inflation rates climb down from the current levels. Musk mentioned this when he was asked on Twitter if Tesla had any plans to lower vehicle prices that were adjusted to address the pandemic and the current supply chain crisis. The Bureau of Labor Statistics reported a higher than expected inflation rate this week, with the Consumer Price Index rising 9.1% from a year ago. Tesla increased the prices of all of its car models in the US and China in March. The company again hiked prices across its models as recently as June when it increased the cost of its Model Y long range from $62,990 to $65,990. Musk tweeted in March that Tesla and his other company SpaceX were both seeing significant recent inflation pressure in raw materials and logistics. Musk said in June ahead of the second price rise that he had a super bad feeling about the economy and would need to cut 10% of jobs at Tesla, according to an email originally reported by Reuters. Chinese Tesla vehicles ready for export. This month, over 7,000 Tesla Model 3s and Model Ys manufactured at Giga Shanghai were spotted at Shanghai's Luqiao port ready for export. These vehicles are said to be shipped to Europe, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. Once again, Giga Shanghai impresses with its performance. This is despite the fact that in July part of the factory was under modernization. The team did not slow down the pace of production. Thousands of cars were dotted in the port of Shanghai ready for shipment. New virtual power plant in California. Moving on, over 1,500 new Tesla owners have already joined the virtual Tesla power plant in California. PG&E announced that over 1,500 Tesla Powerwall owners have already decided to join the new virtual power plant. It launched in partnership with Tesla in California. A virtual power plant, or VPP, consists of distributed energy storage systems like Tesla Powerwalls to provide grid services and avoid the use of polluting and expensive peaker power plants. Last year, Tesla launched a test VPP in California, where Powerwall owners would join in voluntarily without compensations to let the VPP pull power from their battery pack when the grid needed it. Last month, Tesla and PG&E, a large electric utility company in California, announced the launch of a new commercial VPP where homeowners with Powerwalls would get compensated for helping the grid with the energy in their battery pack. PG&E has now released an update on the virtual power plant and said, on June 22nd, Tesla invited approximately 25,000 PG&E customers with Powerwalls to join the VPP and help form the world's largest distributed battery. In the first 2 weeks of the new program, more than 3,000 customers have expressed interest in enrolling, with more than 1,500 customers officially in the program. Aaron August, Vice President of Business Development and Customer Engagement at PG&E, commented on the progress of the VPP, saying, VPPs are a valuable resource for supporting grid reliability and an essential part of California's clean energy future. Our customers' home batteries offers a unique resource that can positively contribute to our state's electric grid and will become more significant as our customers continue to adopt clean energy technology. In collaborating with Tesla, we are further integrating behind-the-meter battery-based VPPs on the largest scale yet, helping to make customers' resiliency technologies more accessible and continuing a long traditions at PG&E of actively integrating VPP resources into our energy supply portfolio. Drew Baclino, Senior Vice President of Powertrain and Energy Engineering at Tesla, added the following statement. Enabling Powerwall customers to support the grid and their community is a necessary and important part of accelerating the transitions to sustainable energy. We seek to partner with utilities and regulators everywhere to unlock the full potentials of storage to bring more renewable, resilient, and less costly electricity to everyone. With an average of 2 Powerwalls per customer, the VPP most likely already has a 30 megawatt load capacity. PG&E says, that if all eligible Powerwall owners join the VPP, would have the available megawatts equivalent to the energy generated by a small power plant. Tesla Powerwall owners can join through the Tesla app and receive $2 per kilowatt hours that they send back to the grid during emergency events. Well, that's all for this video. Those were some pretty amazing Tesla updates. Thanks for watching.